welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a wig install for this company called Junoda Hair. So thank you guys to Junoda Hair for sponsoring today's video. It is greatly appreciated. In today's video, you guys, I will be showing y'all how I customize it on my mannequin head before I do it. I realized that doing this actually makes my wig installs a little bit quicker. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so this is the box that everything came in. It also came in a silk black bag with the name Junoda, and it also came with a bag full of goodies, edge brushes, scarves, lashes, a paddle brush. It came with a pin that said Junoda, and then this is their 4x4 lace closure, 180% density in the length, 22 inches in the pattern body wave, y'all. So I accidentally deleted the footage of me plucking this hair, you guys, but I did go in and pluck this hair a little bit. But this is just how the customization of the hair is looking. It came pre-plucked a little bit. This wig also can be worn glueless if y'all choose to wear it like that. But yeah, y'all, it was a transparent lace. It was a really good lace. This was a really good wig in general. I really liked it. But anyways, I'm just going in with my wax stick that I got from the hair store and my hot comb to just let everything be flat so I can actually see what I'm doing. Now I'm just going to go in with my rat tail comb and just make part, and then I'm just going to flatten that baby out on the wig head, y'all, and then y'all just going to see how flawless everything turned out. Okay, y'all, so after I'm done flattening it out, this is my Fantasia heat protectant spray that I'm just going to spray it all in the hair. It gives the hair a nice silk to it and also makes the hair feel super nice and looks super good. So I am going to be using this with my crimper, you guys, and also along with my crimper I will be using Got to Be spray to spray on the crimps after I'm done. I also got this crimper from Amazon. If y'all want me to leave the link to it in the description, just let me know. I will be glad to do so. But yeah, I really don't like this crimper because this took me forever. Not because y'all see the video like sped up, but this actually took me a good 2 hours to do these little bitty iron crimps. Like, anyways, I'm gonna leave an alternative crimper in the description box as well that's really good. But yeah, I'm just gonna be crimping the whole head, and then I'm just gonna jump into installing the hair. Okay, y'all, so this is literally the next day, but look how them crimps is just looking so nice. I did go in and bleach these knots to this wig as well. I found it, if you bleach your knots to your wig, they turned out even more better. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna go in my Ebon lace spray. I was gonna do this glueless, but I completely forgot while I was doing this because I could have just tightened the bands in the back. But nevertheless, I'm gonna go in with my Ebon, the black spray, the extra whole one, and just spray it down. And I'm just gonna let y'all watch what the rest of the stuff that I'm using. Okay y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, y'all. The crimps are still very much crimping. They look good as hell, y'all. In order to get crimps like this, I recommend spraying your crimps with like Ebon spray or Got to Be spray after you're done doing it, so you just can hold. Even if I comb them out, I think they're still gonna look like a little bit wavy. Thank you so much to Junoda Hair for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye y'all.